Pansy here. Let's open the advent calendars for today and tomorrow. And today I'm wearing my sweater that I needed last year. It's a raglan, it's top-down sweater with 3 different colors, so I'm pretty proud of it. I think I did a great job, so a good pat on the back for me. And let's keep going. Days 5 and 6 today. Today the tea is black tea spiced chai. So it's Baldrige black tea and exotic spices, all natural. Okay, and day 6, got my honey sticks. The next one is oolong tea. Oolong tea. Smooth and distinctive taste with consistent mellow notes. That looks yummy. And my next to candy is a chocolate bear and a chocolate snowman. Days 9. Nine is Bueno Mini. Okay, now they start changing a bit. They're not repeating themselves. So 9, 10. A Kinder Mini with a reindeer. 11. Right on top. Another mini egg. 12. Another little egg. Okay, my kid needs to share these little eggs with me today. And let's check the new yarn. Oh, my little guy, my little reindeer here, my favorite animal. So it's helping me here. The next 2 colors we're gonna add to our sampler blanket are this one. Oh my gosh, look at this color. And then what's that? Oh, yellow. Oh my gosh, nice colors, like the Swedish flag. Okay. Oh, and they really go together. I liked all these colors when I was buying them, that they all look that they're gonna go together really well. So that's why I decided to go randomly. Okay. Alright, so let's keep stitching. The next stitch is a combination of single crochets and double crochets, and each row will be the same. It's a multiple of 2, so here we'll chain 3 for the first double crochet and it will count as a double crochet, and then the next stitch will be a single crochet, and then we have a double crochet into the following stitch and then a single crochet, and that's what we're gonna repeat till the end. A double crochet and a single crochet. And this creates a very nice textured stitch with no holes, which is perfect for blankets, especially for babies. And double crochet here, and I'll meet you at the end. And don't forget your chain. Here I'm ending with a double crochet into that last chain, and I'm ready to turn. So we're gonna chain 3, because each double crochet will get a double crochet on top, and each single crochet will get a single crochet. So now we can turn. We have our first stitch. The chain counts as a double crochet, so the next stitch over here will be a single crochet, and then we have a double crochet again, and then a single crochet. So we're gonna keep repeating that all the way till the end, so that row will repeat. If you, okay, here I made a mistake. Oh no, I did a double crochet. That's okay, I'll do it again. So each double crochet gets a double crochet, each single crochet gets a single crochet. That's easy. And this pattern is reversible since we are repeating only one row. So here we're gonna end up again with a double crochet on top of the chain, and then we turn and we start with a chain of 3 and a single crochet into the next single crochet and double crochet into the next double crochet. And now keep doing that till my colors of my skins are gone, and let's see how many inches that will make. Here we have 7.5 inches with those two colors. I used all of the yellow, but from the blue I have this much left. I don't think that's enough for a row. And so far the whole blanket that we have with the first 3 videos, so far I have 20 inches. We have 3 more videos to go. So the yellow is about 3.5 inches and the blue is also 3.5. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.